Looking for something smooth and delicious to delight your guests this evening? Well, here at Aside Guy Cooks, we have a delightful recipe for you with Irish Cream Cheesecake. So let's get started. Let's make the Irish cream. Let's prepare the cheesecake crust. Set your timer for 10 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Let's make the amazing cheesecake filling. Let's build the cheesecake. Set your timer for 50 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Irish cream is relatively a recent invention. The combination of Irish whiskey and cream is a product of the 20th century. Irish cream continues to be a cherished and versatile beverage, even blended into a cheesecake. That looks great right out of the oven. This cheesecake is ready to be enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Wow, this Irish cream cheesecake has a rich, tangy base with smooth texture and sweetness. Your guests will love it. Please leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's one awesome dessert experience. Stay with us, watch another video.